Brandon Allen is set to go down against Ben Shabazian. Brandon Allen defeated Rainier the leader Marvin Vettori, lost Anthony Hernandez and Nostradinimo, but was better than Chris Curtis, Paul Craig, Bruno Silva. Andrea Muniz, he's a top-tier fighter who dominates everybody in his own backyard. Now he's gonna square off against Ben Shabazian. He's 6'2", 75 inches of reach. Out of Las Vegas, Nevada, Shabazian defeated Andre Muniz, Andre Petrovsky, Dylan Budka, lost to Gerald Mershard, but defeated AJ Dobson, Dalka Lungambula, lost to Anthony Hernandez and Sudinimov, Jack Hermanson, Derek Brunson, but he is in a good streak right now. Brandon Allen is one of the most unpredictable fighters I've ever seen. And asking me who's gonna win in this one might be a pretty tricky call. And I'm gonna say over 1.5. If I must pick a side, if Brandon Allen has a good day in the office, he's gonna win. Gonna give slight advantage to him, but could go either way.